Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the Greens Family TV. And this is the finished product of the Honey Barbecue Glaze chicken wings. As you can see, that's a final product where I place it on a bed of lettuce. And it's already portioned out. And this is where I was pouring the parsley for the garnish. And that's a dish right there. Looking lovely. That's beautiful. And this is the potato salad, which I made from scratch, homemade, and I'll garnish it with tomato, and that's the garlic sauce on the side, and an extra garnish that's a escallion. So stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. We have some chicken wings. And you know, if you're new to my channel, it's the Greens Family Lifestyle TV. And we be cleaning this chicken. It's like about 2-pound chicken. You can use 3-pound, 5-pound, all your guys' desire. And first, you get your hands washed. Because today we'll be making glaze, honey glaze barbecue chicken wings. So you know, you just let it soak and you have to clean it. What I normally do, I just run the knife across like the chicken wings. Make sure there's no extra ear left from the chicken. Like in these places you can see. Yeah. So these guys, I'm just chopping them, getting rid of the extras. Welcome back, guys. Today we're making the honey glazed barbecue chicken. As you can see, we have the chicken. They're already chopped. And if you're new to my channel, here we make delicious recipes and we master cooking and chefing, where we go traditional and local. But today we'll be making the honey glazed barbecue chicken. And you know, I have this chicken wings. You have to get the chicken wings. You're gonna need the chicken wings chopped. And here we have the seasoning. So as we go along, I will guide you through the process. But for now, we only need 2-pound chicken wings. So follow me, let's go. First, we do it. Give it a second wash. Because I watched it already. I totally forgot to record it, but I'm gonna redo it. You gotta make sure they're cut to your desire. You could dice it, but this is how I prefer it. I like it this way. You know, I take off the extra stuff. I miss a few pieces, but I'm gonna go back and get it. See? And in the meantime, what I normally do, I'm gonna tell you because you know I'm gonna do it. So what I do, I wash my hands and then I dry my hands, and I try to get to the oven, which I put the oven at 350 for preheat. 350. Continue chopping these chickens. Chicken is already chopped, guys, so I'm just doing that third rinse. Get rid of the extra stuff off from the chopping. That's how I normally do it. As I said, guys, you can go through, remove the extra stuff that you think should be removed from the chicken. So we want to go ahead now. That's already finished. So we put that to the side. And then we'll get the pot. I'll kind of boil mine for like a good 5 minutes to get it all raised from the bone. Just a little bit. Right, just like that. That amount. I boil my chicken for a good 5 minutes. That's it. After it, you're gonna see it's different, guys. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe once you like the video. As I say, that's just the start of it. Hey guys, we're just getting the sauce together. As you can see, I'm using a sweet baby raised hickory brown sugar. Normally, like, the brown sugar is much better. But you know, already add a little salt. Add a little salt. And then I'm gonna do some parsley flakes. That's for the sauce. You know, you don't want to pack it with too much seasoning because remember that you haven't seasoned the chicken as yet. Here, let me let you guys see. Oh, that's good. And then here's the secret. This little browning right here. But you have to have control. I would say like all depends on 2 pound of chicken. You do. I'm gonna give you the. If you look top side of the screen, you're gonna see the measurement. I'm gonna put the recipe with the measuring ingredients right above the screen. You're gonna see it on the screen, so you guys should take a note of that. As I say, you know, it's all based on your judgment. It look like it's a little bit too much, but it should be good. So right now, spoon and I mix it. If you see it's thicker than the barbecue, you can see the red. And that's it. Then you had like a little water. As you see, I have the pipe running already. But it's just to coat the chicken. I'll whisk it a little bit. So check in, guys. So we check on the chicken. See it? That's why I'm boiling it. This is the reason why I boil it, to remove all these stuff. As you can see, I'm gonna show you guys. If you look at it, it's cleaner. So that's why I do it. You guys don't have to do it. It's all up to you. So now we finished with this. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the stove off, and you're gonna see I have to remove all these stuff. So I just turn the stove off. I'm gonna let it sit, and that's it. Yes, guys, welcome back. I'm gonna remove the stuff to show you, and this is the reason why. Okay. As you can see, there is oil also. So welcome back, guys. I'm about to remove the chicken from the pot. And as I remove the sauce, I dip. And I place them inside a pan. And I dip again. Hey guys, I'm just layering out, getting it situated in the pan. As you can see, guys, I'm just fitting them correctly in the pan so they can hold everything, because I should have bought 1 pound. I didn't know it was so much, but. And then, as I say, in the sauce, you could add your hot sauce based on how you like it. Welcome back, guys. As you see, I'm on the last few pieces. So I know you guys wondering, like, I didn't even put no salt, no nothing, but watch and learn.
It looks so good.
He or she. You know what she named? She named Wait.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, so as you see, you know, that perfect for the measurement, but you see it already absorb all I want to put out. So yeah. So it was close. So now stay tuned, guys. You're gonna see the next one as we continue. Welcome back, guys. So this is the key to it, and this is called control with the sodium, the season, so you can have a better view of how much season is going into it, rather than just, So as we go ahead, we have the Maggi. So we're gonna add like because remember it's 3 pounds of chicken wings, but I just cooked 2. So put a little Maggi, not a lot. We use a chicken seasoning. You could use your modified seasoning if you guys have it, and that's like a half teaspoon. But as I said, the ingredients was in the video earlier, so you can go back there and get the ingredients. And remember, I have the chicken here, so I already preheat the oven. In the front, I already told you I put it at 350 from out before I start. So the oven is already heated. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little parsley. As you can see, I'm consistent with the parsley, but it's taking its own time coming out. But I have to get it over with. So not a lot. That's a half teaspoon. As you can see, my consistency in the measurement. So now, this is what we'll substitute for onion, garlic. As you can see, the garlic, the onion, the chili pepper is hot. So you don't want to use a lot, as I said. So that's my substitute, because you guys could still cut your onion, use sweet pepper. So I'm gonna put like a half teaspoon. Yeah. And then I'm gonna add a little black pepper. Just a little bit, maybe a quarter teaspoon or a fingertip. Because it won't do you nothing, guys. Just a little bit still. So we're gonna go ahead and season it, guys. So this is how I do it. I don't put a lot, so I know I'm gonna get to the bottom. I'm gonna show you guys how to get to the bottom pieces. Watch it. So we're gonna save this as we go along, because this still needs to cook for 1 hour in the oven at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with my foil pan. I use these ones. You can use foil paper, but these ones is like similar to a pot. So what I do, I don't really seal the edges. I just bend right here, and that should be it. So there you have it, guys. We're about to put it in the oven, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get these dishes all cleaned up from the stuff that I use already. That's how I work. I don't like to see dishes sitting all over the sink, dirty. Yeah, I wash and go. Wash as I go. I know some of you all say like, yeah, it's a wash. I just cut it short. So guys, tell me your thoughts on what you think about how I do it different from you. If you have any suggestion, you can leave it in the comment box. And guys, I know the chicken is in the oven. You know it should be for 1 hour, but I'm gonna check on it every 15 minutes, and that's when I'm gonna season it. So you know, you break it into 4 quarters. You don't have to be popping the oven all open every second. Yes, guys, I'm gonna get the potatoes together because you know I'm doing the chicken with the bake. No, the potato salad. That's what I made. I use like 6. I'm gonna use like 8 potatoes. I'm gonna get them peeled. You can use a potato peeler if you guys have a potato peeler. I have one, but I rather to use the knife. So stay tuned, guys. As soon as I finish peeling them, you're gonna see the progress. Yeah, guys, the potato them will wash up. So I get them in the pot. As you can see them, will wash up. Get them in the pot and also stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so I get the water in the pot for the potato, as I tell you, and check the progress. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, as you see it, so we just boil it. You guys all know how to cook the potato and stuff, but that's it. As you see, it's getting ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and check on the chicken. I'm gonna keep you guys in tune. Yeah, guys, check in. As you can see the progress. I'm gonna test the food up. You can see the progress of the chicken. So what I do right now, I turn them. I know I said, most people don't really turn them, but you know, I the way I season it. So I have to turn if you catch the next side. You know? I know I say somehow they say, yo, I should have seasoned it before me putting it in the oven and stuff, but as I say, 7 brother, 7 different man. I just showing the main thing are the ingredients, management, and how to get the finished product. That's it. And you only want to season it in a seasoning. Yeah, guys, so we almost complete the turning of the chicken. As you can see it, we're gonna get a better view. So now, remember the seasoning, and it didn't reach us up. So we're gonna go ahead with the rest of the season for this aside here now. So that the way to know. We're gonna get the gravy salt when the season boil off for the chicken in the sauce. And that's how they mess up on the diet part. So like when we do it this way here, by the time it turn down, it already baked into the chicken. So that's the reason. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it back in the oven. So that's the first 15 minutes gone on it. So I get it closed. So yes guys, welcome back. Check in. I'm making the potato salad. So the potatoes are cooked. So guys, we have the 4 boiled egg. They're already boiled, so it was being removed, and we use the cold water to cool it down. So we're gonna go ahead and have it stripped. So we're gonna go ahead and have the egg stripped. That's removing the shells. I remember this. I got a conch boy. Yeah, guys, we're on the last egg. So we just removing the shell, as I told you before. So you just want to make sure there is no extra shells. Yes, guys, we're about to go ahead and get. These are all clean. I just have them in the water. As clean as I go. So now we're gonna go ahead and smush the potato. So, yeah. Keep these on the side. So I'll just go like this. Just to get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the butter, which I use like quarter, but for this I do a half. It's a little bit more than a half, so don't kill me for that. So guys, you just go ahead and get some. You could grate it, you know, but I'm mincing it. Mincing it, guys. So what I do, I smush it together, and then I just make sure it's clustered right. And then I just go ahead and mix.
Bad with a knife.
Yeah, guys, so go ahead and add the chopped onion. Then a quarter salt, season to taste. That's how we eat. Get them. So add a little parsley again. As it gets to me in love with parsley. It was one of my favorite garnishes in school. While I was in primary school, which is middle school in America, that was one of my favorite garnishes. Parsley, the freshly parsley, or the sliced escallion, which is scallion in Jamaica. So, you know, culinary. So, as you can see, the utensils then, when I get to the utensils then, so when I go ahead and you go see the description, go ahead and smoosh it in. You don't want to rush, you know, you have to take your time. See it? So switch them out and rinse out. You know. Transfer now. This look good already, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so soon get the dishes done. You see it? Yeah, it's doing better now. Still want to escape. You guys, you could add mayonnaise, you could add milk, but I'm not gonna do the mayonnaise. And you could add beans, you could add corns, you could. I'm gonna have some menu coming up, but just a little milk. I'm gonna add a little milk, but not too much. Yeah. And the chicken, I know it's that time again. I'm gonna get straight into it. Yeah, guys, chicken looking lovely. All right, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce already add the ketchup, which is the ketchup. Already added. I have some older sauce, but I'm showing you how I make it. I get the barbecue, which I put like a little under quarter cup because we already added already, as you can see. So now we put a little bit of Maggi. So you see, we put the season. I keep the seasoning inside of the sauce, not well. You can season the chicken, but and then I go back, and that's it. And now here is it because this is the one I like. I'm gonna go ahead and add the hot sauce. I like a lot of the bacon in it. Yeah. As you can see, it seems as if it's a lot less. So what I do, I go ahead and then add a little water. I have to whisk it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush the chicken. I'm gonna explain these brushes. I use a plastic one because you really don't keep the sauce inside of the brush like the literal brush itself. So this one, catch and release. As Donald Trump said, catch and release. So I'll go ahead and brush the chicken with these. As you can see, it's sticking more. And you could get these brushes on Amazon. So the chicken is on its last. You just need a little coating. I'm gonna coat it real good. I can't wait to eat some of this chicken.
Me too.
You hear anyone? That's anyone in the background. It's coming on, guys.
Looks good.
Alright, I hear someone. You know she planning like which piece she wanted or which piece she gonna take.
I'll take any of them.
See? But
I'm not picky.
with a chicken like this, you can't be picky. Guys, yeah, so brush it on. So as you see, plastic, it don't really keep nothing in it. Like, see there? Nothing. So I rather this more. I rather using this brush more than the brush itself because you're gonna find yourself and make too much sauce because the brush will suction it. So I'm gonna use a plastic one. It's all chemistry. Food is chemistry. And if you don't love food, then now I'm gonna make it good. Food is love. And you have to do it from your heart. So this next 15 minutes, it should be over. As you see, I tell you no, I'm not leave it bad. Parsley. I'm going to run for 15 more minutes. And then we're not going to cover it. I want the sauce steep. So this is the final. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it back in the oven. So check in, guys. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, welcome back. Just clean up the utensils that I'm gonna use. So you know, I like the wheeze stainless steel. Cause you see with the anger in a break. The one with the board now, sometimes you chop it. Depends on the size of the bone or the thickness. As you can see, wheeze. Can get them from Amazon. Amazon will buy all of them. The plastic brush. Yeah, guys, just clean up my utensil them. So that's how the cleaver, the chopper in Jamaica, name the wheeze stainless steel the chopper. It's a cleaver. I like it because you see right here, so at the best chopper, at the best cleaver them. Because right here, so I have no board. I buy about a couple of them, but the board always a crap. So this are the one I use for mash the potato. And this are the brush I'm telling about. A plastic one, not the brush itself. And this now are the tongue. Not the tongue, you know. The tongue. And then we did use the measuring spoon then. We have 1 tablespoon and 2 teaspoons. So we know the measurement then. So I put them away. Guys, so as you can see, we get the potato portion out and get ready. So you don't know the chicken still in the oven. So it's so ready guys, as you see potato finished. So I go ahead and portion it out, so check in. Yeah guys, so this is the potato salad and that's the final product. That's looking beautiful. Yes guys, I'm about to make a garlic butter sauce for the potato. Yes, so stay tuned guys, I'm gonna show you. Yeah guys, so go ahead and get the garlic clean up already. So go ahead and mince it. Go ahead and get the pot put on. If you go and warm up, then you turn on the stove. And I keep it about 4. You know, if you go and warm up while I go and mince the garlic. Yeah guys, I see me I get it minced up. Yeah, I have to do it. As I say. Yeah guys, so we have to get it minced. So that look perfect enough. Any other mince are great, we have to grate it. So I think that's good enough. So yeah guys, so I go ahead and get in the butter. I'll make it go and melt. So in the meantime, between time. Yeah guys, the chicken look good man. Just stay tuned. I guess the butter they go and melt. That's it. Here guys, check in. So now go ahead and add the garlic. You know you want to two of them cook together like simmer. Simmer. Who had the chopper to the kitchen? Yeah, so may I stir it, guys. Can you see? Or stir it. In the meantime, between time, you know the reason why I use this paper? Are memories. Food and nutrition class, women economics, food and beverage server. Straight aim and all through the game. But you put it down. As you see, just add the parsley, not to overdo it still. I have it on low, guys. I have to turn it low. So what am I going to do? Set some boom. Let's see the water. That's a 1.5, probably 2 tablespoons water. If you look funny, see there? 2 tablespoons. That should do it. Here guys, as you can see, I season them that I'm going to use. So if you can take note of them, then I use for the chicken. I'm going to write in this up. I'm going to show you the next one. Here guys, take note. You season them the right this up. You know, like that, right? So here guys, so they're on low, so we are making it go and simmer. So we are going to check in for the chicken. Honey Glaze barbecue chicken. Ooh. Yeah guys, so that's the finished product right here. Honey Glaze barbecue chicken. Yeah guys, check in. That's the finished product. Honey Glaze barbecue chicken with hot sauce. As I say, you don't have to put the hot sauce, so stay tuned. I'm going to bring it to life. Yeah guys, that's the finished product. Looking lovely. So I'm going to go again and top it off. Again. Yeah, that's it guys. So, looking lovely. So, the menu in the description and the you see it guys. Lovely. See that? Finished product. Yeah. So stay tuned guys. When I get the food together, I'm going to show you the potato one more. Yeah guys. So now I'm just add the garlic sauce on the potato. You can pour it, you can put it on the side. And then right here so the chicken. And then we have the potatoes. You can see the garlic and the butter sauce. We have tomato. Use the skillet as the garnish. And the inner piece of the tomato. So you already see the ingredients, the link in the description. And we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna make it know it taste. So check in guys. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos, more off the menu cooking. So like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned guys.